Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very exciting day because I'm doing this whole video revolving around one of my ults. You can see him right there, Taehyun. His birthday is technically tomorrow, but Monday for me in America. February 5th. A king was born. I've done some of these for Namjoon before, like a birthday vlog, vlogging his little cup sleeve and like unboxing his solo album and stuff like that. So a video just being about him it's been needed for a while, at least 3 years now. So yeah, I'm really excited. There are no TXT cup sleeves in my city, so I don't have anything like that to go to, which is really sad. I wish there was more like birthday ones, and yeah, but I'm going to be hanging out with my friends tomorrow. My army friends, they said they would go get boba with me, so that's what we're gonna do. But today is Saturday, and I thought I would vlog me going to Target to try to get the Be There For Me album from NCT 127. It technically came out last week, but my Targets never stock the album, so it was nowhere. I went to Target, didn't see it, so we're gonna try today. It's been a week, so I'm hoping that there's some out. I'm hoping that I don't have to go to like multiple locations, but I know that NCT is not Taehyun, but it's K-pop related. And yeah, I'm a Christmas baby, so it is a Christmas album, so I really want to make the house too. So yeah, I don't know what else to show in this video, or this portion of the video, but a lot more will happen tomorrow. But I thought I would just vlog 2 days. I also need to show that February of the calendar is Taehyun, obviously. Who else would it be but Taehyun Day. I also need to redo my nails. Please ignore. This photo is killer. It's so good. Love. Also ignore this mess.
What's a cheese board and a butter board? Figure out. But yeah, go ahead. Let me add texture getting.
I am back from my day out. So I originally wasn't actually gonna get the Be There For Me album because the 2 Targets by my house said that they were out of stock. But I was in the area of one of the Targets with my mom because we went to Ulta and a few other places, and I was like, let's just go in because I never trust the app. And of course they had it. They had an abundance of them, but they didn't say that they were available. I'm gonna open this. I'm genuinely really excited because this is like one that you can make into like a little house. Johnny's birthday is coming up Friday. He is also an Aquarius. He is my bias in NCT 127. Trying to make sure this is the back. I'm trying to make sure not to rip this because I'm gonna build the house, then put it back in here and wait till Christmas time to put it back up. But wintry, I wish SM released this in the beginning of December so that I could have actually showcased this house a lot better, but you know them. Oh, so pretty. But the CD is so tiny. Guys, this is so tiny. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, here's the house. I'm probably gonna have to look up how to put this together, but and then you have little like NCT, cute Polaroid. Taehyun, I always pull Taehyun. He is my NCT most pulled member. He is so cute. I'm so glad he was in this album. Okay, they always have signatures on the back. The cutest little PC. This is like one of the most wanted PCs too in this like whole thing. Oh my god, oh my god. I also pulled Doyoung for the signed fact check thing. I already traded it away, but he's been loving me recently. He is also an Aquarius. Aquariuses are my favorite, but so cute. Okay, I made the little house. It was actually much easier than I thought, but why are they up there? I don't know. Oh well. But I think you can actually switch it around too. I'm not sure, but yeah. And then this, they'll sit like in it. Yeah. I can't wait to have an actual shelf where I can put this stuff. But for now, I'm gonna put it back in this. So, good morning. Today is the 4th. It's technically Taehyun's birthday today in Korea. It's like probably like 2 a.m. for them, but we already got cute little birthday posts from the members already, and Taehyun did go live at like 4 a.m. my time, which was annoying because I missed it. But it's okay. I am getting ready for my little boba birthday celebration with some of my army friends who are gonna join me. My MOA friends don't live in my town, but my army friends love TXT as well, so we are gonna get some boba and celebrate. But I'm getting ready. I'll have about 45-ish minutes until I need to be at the place. I also did the little like curl silk things in my hair. It looks a mess. I'm gonna do my hair in a second, but I don't know what it is, but like some people do videos of their like little silk wrap things that they do in their hair to get the little curls, and they always come out looking really cute, and mine just like, it just, I mean, it's cute, but there are some pieces of my hair that are like so curly, and I don't know, maybe this is cute. I don't know. A lot of people say that they like it. I don't know why. It's just like, this looks weird to me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know, but we're gonna fix some of it before we leave. I'm using the Brooklyn and Bailey's Lash Next Door. This mascara, it does not fall off of my eyes or run, and it's great. I've been wanting a mascara that doesn't do that, and this one doesn't do that. It stays on all day. And it, you can look up Brooklyn and Bailey mascara or Lash Next Door. That's where you can buy it from. But like, it's beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna pick out some of my favorite photo cards to take. I'm gonna pick up 4 because it's gonna be 4 of my friends. Is one of my favorite photo cards ever. I'm gonna bring this one, and I definitely want to bring the helmet Taehyun from the newest era. I'm gonna bring Dapper Taehyun, which is this Yijnu Blue Hour photo card, and I think that's good. Yeah, is that 4? Yes, it's 4. I think it's a good selection. I'm gonna use this card holder that usually has Namjoon in it. I'm gonna take Namjoon out. Oh, is that a Yoongi in the back? And I think I'm gonna put in, I'm actually gonna like take this. This is just an extra D icon photo card that I have. I'm put just a photo, like normal photo card in here, so that it's okay if it gets damaged. I think I want this guy in here. Super cute. And then I think I want helmet tan just in a normal PC holder. And dapper tan in this guy that's ruined. I need to put, I don't know why these all are in the corner now, but I'll stick him in here. Oh. Yay.
Just keep in your purse. So last night, Kyle and I went to a dinner party at my friend.
Show it off. Nice. I'm back from my little tan cafe boba thing with my friends. I didn't get a lot because we're just so engraved in like conversations and stuff, but I had a lot of fun. It was really nice to be able to celebrate his birthday. Like I said, there aren't a lot of TXT events. Actually, there's no TXT events in my area. I think my K-pop store is going to be doing one though very soon. So it was just really nice, and I don't really have anything else for this video. Tomorrow is at his actual birthday, but I work, so I'm gonna work, and that's really it. But yeah, it was really fun. Happy birthday, Tan. He's probably not even gonna be watching this, but love you. And yeah, I'm really excited for the future of 2024 and more TXT related things, some concerts, because I know they're gonna go on tour soon. But yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe, thumbs this video up, and yeah, that's all I have for you. Goodbye.